It has been a wonderful experience. The people here are very welcoming, and wherever you go, you get help.
When I look for this grant, I don't believe I will be accepted, yeah? But I just applied. When I received the email, I was getting a very great surprise. And I called my mom, "Hey mom, I was accepted. I don't believe it," yeah.
There I got to learn and understand that it's not just the technical skills that are important for you to be working under the HPC field. There's also the soft skills, which most of us we ignore.
Because we are engineers, we can develop knowledge in other related areas.
So you can't just be sitting at home and expect miracles to come. There are more updates every other day. The machines are changing, the performance of the machines are changing. So we need to get in touch, feel the impact of what HPC is doing.
If we promote the cooperation between the dependencies of university and other universities, yeah, we can improve our resources. We can perform more better experimentations.
There are many problems in our country which need technical solutions.
I think it's the first time a Colombian is in this kind of events. This is one of my purposes, yeah.